RDS Talent Hunt. It's an old concept, but giving it a few glitches and tweaks, we are gearing up for a mission in search of pure talented people hidden in those old Indian doors. Come on guys, then take chance in our ad film contest, where pure talent can be filtered through one of the famous platforms of this era, YouTube. Just shoot a damn good video, upload into your own YouTube account, and send us the link with your details. We have a panel of judges who will watch your work and select the winners. If you think, can we make it? Then yes, we can. We can do anything with our burning desire. We are the people who want to see talent first and money next. What we are saying is that don't be worried that this contest is open to corporate level. This is open to everyone who has the desire to create great videos. So you, who are watching this video in front of your gadgets, you have a great opportunity. Just shoot the video. Coming to the rewards, first prize. We as a group of individuals passionate for giving and in-hand support to the talented people, we will offer you a position in our own organization. Second prize will be in cash, 1 lakh Indian rupees. Third prize, we will promote your work in our website. Terms and conditions apply. Just remember this folks, no credentials are needed for talent, right? For more information, check the description.